Hello Piccadilly friends! I'm interrupting story time this week because I need your help with a very important mission. I've been really missing seeing you all in our art studio for classes, so today we're looking for a new place for classes. Once we find one, we'll try an art project together. Come on. I think this must be the place. Let's try something. So I brought along what I'd started on, which says Art in the Park, and I thought that we would do some shaving cream marble painting. So first, you'll need paper. Watercolor paper works really well. This is cardstock. Then you'll want something to make a mess on. We have trays. You could use a big piece of cardboard, or if you had a table that nobody's worried about getting messy. You'll need paint, and I'd recommend getting a few similar colors that'll match well together. You could also use food coloring. You'll obviously need shaving cream. You'll need something to stir with. This is a stir stick, but you could use a straw or a paintbrush. You'll want paper towels to clean up the mess. And you'll want a squeegee or something to scrape off all of your shaving cream with. A piece of cardboard would work well too. So first, we'll take our shaving cream and we're gonna spray it over the entire area, big enough to cover whatever paper we're gonna paint on. Next, we'll take our paint or our food coloring and we're gonna put drops of it in every area on here. You should still see some white, but you wanna make sure you have paint everywhere on here. Then we'll take our stir stick, or whatever you're using to stir, and we'll stir the paint up until it has a nice marble texture that we like the way it looks. It should look super cool, however you like it. Then we'll take our paper. You might have left yours blank. You may have painted something on it like I did. It could be words or design, and we're gonna press it into the shaving cream and make sure every part of the design is covered. You wanna put the face of it down. You'll want 2 trays. This is when we'll start using that second one. We're gonna peel the paper off and we'll place it into this tray, and you'll want your paper towels in case you get messy. Now we'll use that scrape. Again, this could be cardboard, and we're gonna scrape all of the excess shaving cream off. And you might notice you have a couple spots where you missed some of the shaving cream. That's okay. If you want, you can spread some on it now, but if not, when we scrape it, that should cover those tiny spots, as long as you have almost all of it covered. And when you're scraping it off, you can scrape it either into a bowl or back into that first tray that we used. And the last step before we clean up, we'll take our paper towels that we've been using to keep ourselves clean this whole time. We'll tear one off. You might need more than one. And we'll wipe off however much shaving cream is left on top of our paper. You're all done. You'll probably want to let it dry just a little bit more, but your shaving cream marble painting is ready to go. So now you can clean up and start thinking about where you want to hang it up. Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Mr. Cameron.